Month of April is Sexual Assault Awareness Month. KSBY News reporter Taylor Hilo spoke with local organizations about support options survivors have in San Luis Obispo County.
Sexual Assault Awareness Month, otherwise known as SAM, is attempting to morph into something bigger here locally.
For Cal Poly, we call it Action Month because we think our community is past the point of awareness. We know what the problem is, and now we all need to take action.
Cal Poly Safer is celebrating its 25th birthday this year, created in the wake of the Kristen Smart disappearance. 25 years later, and they're striving to be a main line of support.
We have a phrase called Start by Believing, and so that means unquestioningly we are in support of survivors. We believe what they are saying, we believe what their experience is, and we are there to support them.
In order to get their message to the community, Lumina Alliance and Cal Poly Safer both have jam-packed months of activities lined up. The biggest one is an evening with Tarana Burke, activist, author, and founder of the Me Too movement, coming to speak at Cal Poly on Monday. Recently, some local women have been sharing their experiences as sexual assault survivors on social media.
When something happens in the community, it has a ripple effect. So it can oftentimes bring other victims, can bring up their own experiences, and so they will often be reaching out for additional support on our crisis line.
Whenever we get public disclosures of sexual violence, of course that brings back to people's minds maybe their own lived experience or somebody that they really deeply cared about.
Both organizations are readily available for any support needed, including counseling and legal services. They believe there are simple things we can do to help heal from these traumas.
That is to start by believing, that is to have these conversations, that is to make it safe for victims to come forward and tell the story and tell the truth about what's happened to them.
Taylor Hilo, KSBY News.
If you or a loved one has been affected by sexual assault, you can reach out to the Lumina Alliance crisis line. That number is 805-545-8888.